After you create a workspace, you get into the agent creation view. To the left, you have some options, agents, the view that we are currently on, the workspace settings that we previously discussed. You can modify them at any time, the integrations for the workspace. Right now, let's go back to agents. If you want to create your first agent, click on the plus sign. This pop-up will appear, in which you will be prompted to choose the type of the AI voice agent, inbound or outbound. For example, we choose inbound agent, and if you want to start with a template, you can choose one that we have already created for you to give you a jump start. You can filter by niche by selecting the appropriate niche you want. Let's go with Morgan Chase for this example. If you want, you can always start with a blank agent and basically input all the information from scratch. Save and continue. After we click the button, we get to step 1 of agent configuration. And here, we already have an agent avatar uploaded since we selected a template. If you started from scratch, you will need to upload a photo here for the agent avatar. Your agent has to have a set time zone. So you set what you want in the time zone. Phone number. Since we connected the Twilio account, we get the phone number list populated in here. You have the option to also select no number, so your agent doesn't have a specific phone number assigned. Give it a name, Morgan Chase, already populated with the template. And from here we select one of the supported languages. For example, if we choose here Dutch, and we go to the right here to the voices, and click on the voice drop down, we see the available voices for the language already selected. So they are automatically filtered. All the voices that we have available here are available for Dutch speaking language. If we select another language from here, for example, we switch to English United States and click here on the voice drop down list, you will see the list is bigger because we have multiple voices that support English speaking. As you can see, a bigger list, but also for other languages such as French, for example, we have a really good list of available voices that you can use by default at no extra cost. I recommend that you choose a voice from the advanced low latency ones if you have it on the subscription. These are available in higher subscription plans. If they are not available to you, you can select a voice from the Cartesia list. They work better than the basic English voices you have here on the top of the list. You can always change the voice as needed. Also, you can preview by clicking on the play button, and you can listen exactly how the voice sounds. Welcome message. This is another setting from your agent. I recommend that you turn it on. This is the first sentence your agent will say when initiating the call. You can put a simple message just to catch the caller's attention. Hello, this is Morgan. How can I help you? Simple as that. And the welcome message delay, this is the value in seconds that the welcome message will be delayed for. If you want your agent to start speaking instantly as it picks up the call, you can lower this value to 0, or 1 or 2 seconds, or your desired period for the delay. I recommend that you start with the default 2 seconds. Here you can toggle the call recordings on and off. I recommend that you leave them on, as they will be saved into your call history and automatically transcribed in text, and you can also hear the audio recording of the call, and you can see all the details of the conversation. The voicemail detection is another feature available from your AI agent. You can turn it on. If you turn it on, you have the option to leave a voice message if another voicemail or another bot is calling your inbound agent, or you can hang up the call. For example, I want to hang up the call, and this setting, the machine timeout detection, refers to how many seconds your agent will need to be in the conversation for the algorithm to decide if it's a real call or not. The default setting is 10 seconds. After we go through all these settings in the first step, we click on Next, and we arrive to the second step of your agent, the behavioral customization. Here is where you instruct your agent how to behave during the call. And we will discuss this in detail in our next training video, how to customize the behavior of your agent.